Susan Riley. I'm an arts integration specialist, which means that I help teachers infuse art and music and theater and dance into all the things that we learn about in reading and in math and in social studies and in science. I also happen to have a lot of teacher friends who are very creative. So this is Creative Campfires. I'll be sharing some creative activities with you along with many of my teacher friends, and we're going to walk you through just some really simple, easy things that you can do at home at any time to get those creative juices flowing. Now, first up is my friend Shelly Sharp. She is going to show you how to do pop-up cards. So let's jump in.
Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a pop-up mechanism that makes a great little window above your background. And you want some fairly stiff paper. Oops, you got to watch out which way you put it in. You want some fairly stiff paper for the mechanism. Bristol or cardstock is great. This is my first attempt. And I'll try to get through it as quickly as possible. Materials are here. I'm going to clear that out of the way. So you want to start with your compass set at 1.5 inches. A protractor, sorry, I always mess that up. And get your circle on there. Oops. Then I made a little heart stencil. First time I traced it in without, no, I made that too big, shoot. There we go, that should do it. Yep, that leaves me enough space around. Okay, so a lot of these lines are going to disappear once you get it set up, so you can make your marks and not worry about it at all. I also do recommend that you decorate before you assemble. It's really tricky to do that. I'm going off of the center line because when you go to the center line, the mechanism interrupts itself. Now, to get into that hole, or sorry, to get into there to cut out the heart, I used my compass needle and then a pencil to get my scissor point in. And I'd like to do this quickly so I'm not wasting time. But you can always decide how you want to do it, for what kind of precision, and what overall effect. So I do apologize for my lack of skill videotaping. It's a new area and will improve, hopefully, with experience. So the ballpoint pen is really helpful for scoring to get accurate folds, and I forgot to do the parts that I need to, but I will get there very shortly. Okay. I just love this pop-up. Elements of pop-up is my my go-to Bible for learning these days with pop-ups. Just so fun. Okay. As you can probably guess, I do a lot of things by iteration and don't worry too much about not getting it right the first time. Okay, ballpoint pen. And as I was saying, all of this is going to get hidden on the inside. So, and then you want to decorate on that top area. And I'm really not going to worry about my scrawny little heart. Okay, so this one, let's say this is my, actually not my decoration, this is my decorated side here. Looking gorgeous, woohoo! And I want to do that as a mountain fold. Scoring would help. I'm not going to do that right now, but putting a score with thicker paper will definitely give you more precision. Okay, so you're going to fold those into themselves, but you're not going to do the whole bottom section because you want to rotate that up keeping that central bit lined up, and squash it flat to make a nice little rectangle. And flip it over, do the same thing again, open it up, and watch your alignment. You can kind of encourage it to go where you would like it. There, great. You've got your internal mechanism with your message standing up. Now, all of that decorated, woohoo, a little dab will do ya. When you get too much glue in the process, so top right underneath, and then bottom left underneath. And just a little bit of glue because everything else gets stuck. Okay, so it's also nice to bring it up and make sure it's in place. Then into the middle, and I already glued this. Oh, I've got it backwards. The round part goes to the front. Yep. And you want to get it pretty level. And deep in. Okay. And at this point, I grab my binder clip, snap it on so it'll hold it, and I leave it be. And you're good to go. Woohoo! Enjoy!